To sell meme coins using a Phantom wallet, start by opening the wallet on your mobile device or computer via the Chrome extension. Navigate to the bottom right corner, where you'll find the Discover icon, and scroll down until you see Jupiter under the Trending Sites section. If you can't find it, simply search for Jupiter and look for the site, not the token, and click on it. This will open the Jupiter website, where you can search for various meme coins. For example, if you want to sell a specific coin, click on it. Then connect your Phantom wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button and selecting Phantom from the list of top wallets. If you're connecting for the first time, a window will appear, prompting you to accept the connection. Once connected, switch to the Sell option by clicking the swap icon. Enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the transaction. If you have sufficient coins in your wallet, you'll be able to complete the sale.